Hey everyone, Jane Belante, brand ambassador for Paint Pixie. I am so excited, you guys. We just got in these amazing new brushes. We have Blue Wave, check that little baby out, and a little bee as well. So I'm gonna show you a couple ways to use these. So I'm gonna glaze this, and to start, I'm gonna put a clear glaze over the whole thing. And what I love about the Blue Wave for this is the size of it. It's flat, so it's gonna give me a nice even coverage all around. This has a lot of texture that I put on here, and so I'm gonna go in a number of directions to make sure that there's no pooling, for one, and that I catch all of the cracks because I put Crackle Medium on this. Now I'm gonna use Little Bee, and this is perfect for getting into the details. And I love how you can just dunk it in and it kind of pulls all of the paint to the front, which is what I really want. For this glaze, I want my application to be fairly thick. And what's really great is because I put on the clear glaze first, I'm able to manipulate this. And I love how Little Bee kind of goes with the flow. It presses everything into the grooves. It's a great little brush. So now it's just a process of layering and building color. So I'm applying and then I'm wiping a little bit back, and then maybe I put a little bit more on. I really want to create that dimension. So I'm looking for some contrast in here. And I may even go back and get a little bit more gray on in the end, and we'll just see how this looks. Time for Blue Wave again, and I'm just gonna put one coat of top coat on this. I think I'm gonna come back in with some wax to really bring out the cracks, and just to bring one more dark color into this. But it is looking real cool.